If you want to convert emails from Outlook PST file to EML file, then try the Cigati PST exporter tool. Software features: allows to convert single or multiple PST files to MBOX at time. Capable to save any size of PST file as EML file. Convert emails from PST file according to date range. Software working. Download and run the Cigati PST exporter software. Click on the Add Files button to select single or multiple PST file at a time. Click on the Add Folder button to add PST file from the selected folder. Click on Remove Files to select the particular PST file and remove her from the software wizard. Click on Remove All to select all PST file and remove from software wizard. There are two PST modes to converting PST file into MBOX file: single mode and multiple mode. You can choose either a single mode or multiple modes. Now choose single mode and select the PST file and click on the Next button. Then extract the email items from the selected PST file. Choose Save option, Save as other format. Click on Convert button, then choose Save as EML options from the Choose Output options drop-down list. Now choose Naming convention from drop-down menu. You can also check out the Date filter option when you want to save Outlook emails according to date. Select folder path to save the files from the Choose option. Now click on the Apply button. Then successfully export Outlook emails as an EML file format. Click on the OK button. Then close the application. For more update, check out our website www.cigatisolutions.com or mail us at support@cigatisolutions.com.